Hello sir, welcome to my channel RX Sam. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see the basic information of drug vitamin E. It is antioxidant activity. About vitamin E, vitamin E is a fat soluble vitamin found in most vegetable oils, nuts and oil seed, whole grain and greeny leafy vegetables. Vitamin E is a group of 8 fat soluble compounds that include 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. Vitamin E acts as antioxidant protecting unsaturated lipids in cell membrane. Coenzyme Q from free radical oxidation damage and curbing generation of toxic peroxidation product. Benefits of vitamin E from skin, hair and eye. Anti-aging properties to delay the aging process, fight acne and wrinkles, soothes sunburns, fades scar and stretch mark, treat hyperpigmentation. It is a dark or discolored spot on the skin, promotes hair growth, prevent premature graying of hair. Deficiency, sterility and inability of a living organism to effect sexual reproduction. Degenerative changes in spinal cord and nucleus gracilis and cunettes. Hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is a disorder in which red blood cells are destroyed faster than they can be made. Hypoplastic anemia, anemia resulting from inadequately functioning bone marrow can develop into aplastic anemia. Increased oxidative fragility of erythrocytes. Indications: acanthocytosis, G6PD deficiency, retrolental fibroplasia in premature infants exposed to high oxygen concentration, fibrocystic breast disease and nocturnal muscle cramp, enhances vitamin A absorptions. What is antioxidant? Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. Fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed through the intestinal tract with the help of lipids or fat. Tocopherols are a class of organic chemical compounds, many of which have vitamin E activity. Tocotrienols are a type of vitamin E nutrient. Coenzyme. A cofactor is a non-protein chemical compound or metallic ion that is required for an enzyme activity as a catalyst. A substance that increases the rate of chemical reaction. Acanthocytosis. Acanthocytosis is a red cell phenotype associated with various underlying conditions. G6PD deficiency, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, or G6PDD, is an inborn error of metabolism that predisposes to red blood cell breakdown. Coenzyme Q, also known as ubiquinone, is a coenzyme family that is ubiquitous in animal and most bacteria. Doses: 100 mg to 600 mg per day. Some brands which are available in market: BioE, Covita, Evion, Wheat E, Vitolin. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friends. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos.